Have you ever noticed that your phone feels slower after a year or two? Apps take longer to load, scrolling isn't as smooth, and typing can lag. This slowdown isn't your imagination, it's the result of several interacting factors. First, every software update makes your phone do more. New features, animations, and background processes all consume extra resources. What once felt light on a brand new chip gradually becomes heavier as the system evolves. Second, apps themselves grow larger and more complex. Developers add new functions, better graphics, and more tracking tools. These updates take up more memory and processing power, leaving older devices struggling to keep up. Third, your storage fills up over time. Photos, videos, and cached data accumulate, and when your phone's flash memory gets close to full, it slows down. The system must search harder for available space, which delays everyday tasks. Fourth, flash memory itself wears out. NAND storage has a limited number of write cycles. After thousands of uses, some cells degrade, and the phone's controller must work around them, reducing speed and efficiency. Fifth, your battery also ages. As it weakens, it can't provide consistent voltage to the processor. To prevent sudden shutdowns, the system may automatically slow the CPU, making your phone feel sluggish. Sixth, thermal aging plays a role. Heat slowly damages components and makes chips less efficient. Frequent gaming or charging in hot environments accelerates this process. Seventh, background apps and hidden services run constantly. Social media, messaging, and analytics programs refresh data even when you're not using them. These silent processes eat up both memory and processing power. Eighth, temporary system files pile up. Logs, thumbnails, and residual data from deleted apps accumulate, cluttering the system. Without periodic cleanup, performance continues to drop. Ninth, newer apps are optimized for newer phones. Developers test mainly on recent models, so older ones often get less efficient versions. Compatibility remains, but performance suffers. 10th, your expectations change. After seeing smoother displays or faster devices, your sense of speed adjusts. What once felt quick may now seem laggy, even if performance hasn't drastically changed. 11th, manufacturers sometimes design newer software to showcase newer hardware. Subtle optimizations favor recent chips, making upgrades feel more appealing. Finally, the slowdown is natural but manageable. Keeping some free storage, uninstalling unused apps, clearing caches, and replacing the battery after 2 or 3 years can make a big difference. With care, even an older phone can stay smooth for years. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will keep sharing more practical knowledge about everyday life. See you next time.